Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This channel, Data Science, is all about trying to learn various concepts of data science by practicing a lot of questions. This video is in continuation of the series where we're trying to learn Python by solving interview questions from top tech companies like Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and Google. If you're preparing for any of these roles, this is a great series to follow and build your concepts. So yeah, let's jump right in. In this video, we are going to solve this question on start a scratch regarding find the movies that had most nominated actors or actresses. This question has been asked in Netflix or BuzzFeed interviews, and it's a great question if you're preparing for data engineer, data scientist, BI analyst, data analyst, or ML engineer roles. Okay, the question reads: find movies that had the most nominated actors or actresses. Be aware of the fact that some movies have the same name, so use the year column to separate count for such movies. Output the movie name alongside the number of nominees. Order the result in descending order. So we are given a data frame called Oscar nominees, and our expected output is a pandas data frame with two different columns, and this should be sorted in descending order by number of occurrences. Okay, let's inquire about this data frame called Oscar nominees. So it has 6 different columns: year, category, nominee, movie, whether it was a winner, and the ID, which is basically the unique ID. What we basically need to do is we need to find out which movie has the highest number of nominations, and obviously movie names can be same. Based on the year of release, we can try to differentiate them. So basically what we need to do is we need to group by the year and the movie column and then count how many times people in that movie have been nominated. So what we can do is let's do Oscar nominees dot group by the, and then firstly we need to write year. You cannot directly group by the movie, because if let's say in 2010 there was a movie called 127 hours, let's say in 2024 there is another movie called 127 hours, and to group by only the movie part, obviously these two are different movies, right? They are released in different years, they would be having probably different cast, etc. So if you just do it by movie, it is going to give you a wrong count. That is why we are using the year of the release as well as the name of the movie. Then what we do is let's use the dot aggregate method that we learned about. Then what is the final name of the column that we want? N occurrences. So we write N occurrences, and then what we need in this column, we need that take the ID column, right? Take the ID column and perform a count so that we know how many times people in this movie has been nominated. Now since we grouped by the year and movie column, we need to reset the index so that we can see them as columns. So reset index. Let me just go ahead and run this right now. So here you have various years and movies and the number of nominated actors or actresses. Now once we have this should be sorted by number of occurrences in descending order. So we need to write dot sort values, and then it should be by the column that we just created, N occurrences, and in descending order. So ascending is equal to false. Okay, let me go ahead and run this again. Okay, so now if you look at it, this has been ordered by number of occurrences in descending order. Now in our final output, we only need the movie and the n occurrences, not the year part. So we need to basically provide a list of columns that we want in our final output, and it should be a pandas data frame. So we provide the list that, okay, we need the movie column first, and then we need the number of occurrences. Okay, now let me go ahead and run this again. So let's see. Now our output is same as expected output. Let me go ahead and submit this to pass all the test cases. So yeah, everything is green, and this is how we do it. So yes, somewhat tricky question. What we basically did was, firstly, we grouped by the year column and the movie column so that we can differentiate if the movie has same name, and then use the ID column to count how many nominated actors or actresses are there in that movie. Then we reset the index so that we can look at year and movie as columns, and then we sorted the values by the number of occurrences, basically the number of nominated actors or actresses in descending order, and then we kept only those columns which were required in our output. So yeah, this is how we do it. Let me know if there's a better way or more efficient way to solve this question. Let the solution be in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.